friends, welcome back to Rachel Reviews. I'm Rachel. Today we have Stitch Fix. My first November Stitch Fix. Technically it was supposed to be delivered like end of October, so the 29th, so it was supposed to be like a 3rd October one, but I just couldn't get to opening it until today, so it's my first November one. So let's just get right into it. Your style delivered. Happy Fix Day, Rachel, and welcome to your 26th Fix. My date went so well. She went on a date last Fix video, if you watched that. It went so well, yay! We went on a tour of a haunted castle, which was really cool. That sounds really cool. I did that once, where was I? I was in Canada, and there's this like haunted fortress kind of thing there. I didn't see any ghosts though. But anyway, they also had all these old clothes on display, so you know what I was gawking over, LOL. How was your Halloween? Did you do anything fun? Have a cool costume? I did not even dress up this year, and usually I do, but my office was moving locations all this last week, so we weren't seeing like patients or anything, so I didn't even dress up. So that was kind of sad, but that's okay. Anyway, let's dive in. I took a look at your fall Pinterest board and noticed you had some embroidered denim on there. I actually had the same pair by Cut From The Cloth in stock. Yay! But boo, because Cut From The Cloth is expensive. Unfortunately, these are a little high in price, but I wanted to give you that option. Pair these with a plain tee and layer the staccato cardigan over top. I know you'll definitely make the look even better with a front tuck and some loafers or booties. I also thought you would really adore the cutout back on the GAIAM, I think it's pronounced, GAIAM top. Can't wait to watch your unboxing. Yay, thanks for watching, Allie. XO Allie. So, super excited. Here is the bundle. Check that out. Got kind of like a purpley, burgundy-ish color, black, gray. Ooh, that's soft. Like a waffle knit dark green, and then the jeans. So, I'll rip right into it. Ooh, oh, that is super pretty. Is this more like a workout top though? Because it's got like a symbol there, so I'm not in love with that little symbol. But maybe just for like a lounging. But that's cute. I think, I don't know, maybe I have something from this brand from like a year ago. I'm not sure. Yeah, pretty. The back's really where it's at though. I mean, the front's just kind of like plain, solid. And then look at that. Look at that back. What? So we'll try that on. Ooh, Market and Spruce. I love Market and Spruce. That's cute. So it's just like a, ooh! It's just like a plain black top, sweater, but it has a cute like kind of flannel elbow pad. So that's cute. It's very soft. It's like toss things over onto the bed. This is really soft too. It's a cardigan. Okay. Look at that. Check that out. So it's kind of like the different patterns, like a gray, cream. It's like a white. Is it white or is it cream? I think it's white. White, and then the dark gray, and then the stripes. There's the back. Yeah, that's cute. Very interesting. That's the one to pair with a plain top. This one's really soft. This is 9 BRITTON. I love 9 BRITTON too, Allie, if you've ever seen anything 9 BRITTON. Tie front, long sleeves, that nice dark green color that'd be good for like fall and Christmas and stuff. I like the little cuff on the sleeves there. Cute, cute, cute. And the jeans. They don't feel very stretchy, so we'll see. The jeans. You guys, I haven't been reading the names of the things. I'll go back through. So the jeans are Cut From The Cloth, Laynee embroidered raw hem skinny jean in indigo. So it's got, look at that cute embroidery there. As I drop it. The flowers, that's really pretty. And then I think it has some, oh yeah, and then it has some down here too with the raw hem. Oh, there's a little stretch there. Okay. So that's cute. Let me get the paper out of the way and go back through and read the names. I'm such a space case today. Okay, the green top is 9 BRITTON Billie tie front 3/4 sleeve brush knit top. And let's see. Exclusive. Another exclusive, you guys. Exclusive. The cardigan. It is pink clover. That's why it's so soft. Madelia. Colorblock double pocket cardigan. Oh, it has pockets, you guys. I didn't even notice it has pockets. Score. Okay. Market & Spruce Aubree elbow patch pullover in black is the black one. And the last one was technically the first one. The GAIAM Jayla mesh crossback raglan top in burgundy. Alrighty. Let's get to trying them on. Okay, so here is that burgundy top. It's more purpley to me. I'm not sure I like it. It's a little too clingy, but the back's really cute. Check out that back. I don't know if you can see it. But it's really soft though. It's comfortable. Just not sure it's for me. I definitely wouldn't wear it to work. It'd be more like a casual kind of top, I think. But yeah, it's just too, it's more like athleisure-y, I think. I'm trying to knot it in the front. And I'm not an athleisure person. It's either leisure or work, basically. There's no, see, and it just comes right out. There's no ath in between. But it is really soft. Pretty color. Here is the black with the elbow patches. Has like a nice kind of split side right there, so I like that. And it's just like a kind of plain black top. It's got like the kind of ribbing there and on the cuffs. How do you guys think of this camera instead of like doing it in the mirror? What do you think of this? Let me know. I thought maybe you'd be able to see better and I can gesticulate with both hands. But I think that's cute. I really like the elbow patches there. For just like a touch of flannel. These jeans are from Target. They're universal thread. I like them except for this hole has gotten very much bigger right here. Way up on the thigh. So yeah, what do you guys think of this shirt? It's a maybe. The other one was a no. This is a maybe. So this is a twofer. This is the green top. It's kind of like a waffle knit, you can see. It's really pretty. It's really soft. And then the jeans, let me angle down. The jeans are the cut from the cloth. Got the embroidery down by the ankle. And right here. They feel all right. Got some like, I don't know, it's not distressing, but it's like got lighter areas and then it's kind of darker through the sides and lighter at the tush. They feel okay. They're not my favorite pair of pants I've ever put on, so however much they are, I probably wouldn't spend if they're real expensive, which I've seen cut from the cloth is. But I like this top. It's the best so far. I don't know, I've been really liking the green that you've been sending me, Allie. I think that's pretty. I don't know. Let's untie this and see how loose it can go. So the slit comes up. So you can make it looser. Oh, that's cute. That's cute with the long sleeves. I like it. And here we have the cardigan. So on a style card, it actually had it paired with a tie front green top underneath it. So I'm like, hey, let's just try it. It's really soft. It's pink clover, so you know it's going to be soft. How do I feel about the pattern? It's something different, you know, like you're not really going to find something, I feel like this in the stores, which I was just at Target and Kohl's today because I have a shopping problem. It's good length. It's got kind of like that split right there. Has pockets, which we love pockets. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? I have a mirror here too. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, friends. So let's go over the price sheet. I just stayed in this green shirt because I think I'm going to keep it. I kind of wish it was in a different color because I did just keep a dark green one a couple fixes ago that's like the same color. So that's the only thing that I'm kind of waffling on. Waffle shirt. Anyway, cut from the cloth, the jeans, the Laynee embroidered, blah, blah, blah. It cuts it off. $88. Thank you for sending them to me, Allie, because I did pin them on my Pinterest. I do like the embroidery and stuff, but I just can't pay that much for jeans. And I don't know, the material wasn't like nice and I don't know. It wasn't stretchy enough for me. Yeah. But they're really pretty. Thank you for sending them. The staccato, Colorblock double pocket, and navy. I would not call that navy. Anyway, the cardigan, there's no navy on that. So that's weird. $48. Not bad for that cardigan. It was super soft. Wait. Hang on. Didn't it say pink clover on that? Hang on. Yeah, okay, so I just grabbed it. It says pink clover. It'll focus in. Pink clover. Anyway, pink clover, Madelia, and on here it says staccato, and on the style card it says staccato, so that's a little bit weird. And on the inside it says pink clover as well. So strange. The plot thickens. Well, I guess it doesn't really thicken because it wasn't thin. Anyway, I'm off on a tangent today, you guys. I'm sorry. Anyway, that was $48, and allegedly it's navy. It's gray to me. 9 BRITTON Billie tie front, 3/4 sleeve, brush knit, dark green, $38. $38. If it's the only thing I'm keeping, do I like it $38 worth? We'll see. Market & Spruce, the Aubree elbow patch, pullover in black, $58. I love Market & Spruce, but they are pricey. That's like $60 for a shirt. And then the GAIAM Jayla mesh cross back Raglan top in burgundy, $44. So before the discount, $276 for the 5 items. $69 off. Would make it $207 for 5 items. I do have a credit also on my account, so that's something to think about. Thank you. A few of you have signed up using my link. Thank you so much. Let me see who checked out recently. I just pushed my camera down a little bit, so it's a slightly different angle now. Sorry. But Bridget J, thank you for signing up, and you got your first fix, and so it applied the credit to my account. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed your fix. I hope you kept something. If you watch this, comment down below and let me know if you kept anything from your fix. And then thank you everyone else who signed up. A lot of you have signed up on my account with my link, but haven't scheduled your first fix yet. What are you waiting for? It's great. They send it right to you. If you don't like anything, send it back. You know, for free, basically. So that's it. So I have a $25 credit. So this would make this $13 plus tax. I think I could do that. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I do these videos, you know, 2-3 times a month. Check them out. I hope you guys are having a great first, you know, second day of November. It's November 2nd. But I hope everything's going great for you, and I hope your Halloweens were good, and I will see you guys next time.